Meghan Markle's highly anticipated Netflix cooking show, Table of Dreams, has landed with a resounding thud, facing a barrage of criticism from food critics and the culinary world. The show, which premiered amidst controversy surrounding Markle's alleged attempts to intimidate a renowned James Beard award-winning chef, has been met with scathing reviews, with many calling it tone-deaf, insincere, and out of touch. The initial excitement surrounding Markle's foray into the culinary world quickly dissipated as viewers and critics alike dissected the show's premise. Table of Dreams follows Markle as she embarks on a global culinary adventure, exploring diverse cuisines and cultures while championing the power of food to bring people together. However, the show's execution has been widely panned, with critics pointing to its superficiality, lack of authenticity, and Markle's apparent disconnect from the very communities she purports to celebrate. One of the most glaring criticisms leveled against the show is its perceived lack of depth. While Table of Dreams boasts stunning visuals and exotic locations, many viewers felt the show lacked genuine engagement with the cultures it explored. Critics argue that Markle's interactions with local chefs and communities often felt staged and superficial, lacking the nuanced understanding and respect that true cultural immersion demands. Furthermore, the show's production values have been criticized for their excessive gloss and manufactured feel. The carefully curated shots of Markle preparing elaborate dishes in pristine kitchens, often with a team of assistants at her disposal, have been met with derision by viewers accustomed to more authentic and relatable cooking shows. Critics argue that Table of Dreams presents a highly idealized and unrealistic portrayal of the culinary experience, further distancing it from the reality of everyday cooking and the challenges faced by many aspiring chefs. However, it's the controversy surrounding Markle's alleged attempts to intimidate a prominent chef that has cast the longest shadow over Table of Dreams. Reports emerged that Markle, through her legal team, attempted to silence a James Beard award-winning chef who had expressed reservations about participating in the show. The chef, who wished to remain anonymous, alleged that Markle's representatives threatened legal action if they did not comply with her demands, creating a hostile and intimidating environment. This incident has sparked outrage within the culinary community, with many chefs and food writers expressing their solidarity with the affected chef and condemning Markle's alleged behavior. The incident has also raised serious concerns about the power dynamics at play in the food industry and the potential for intimidation and harassment from high-profile individuals. The controversy surrounding Markle's alleged intimidation tactics has further tarnished the image of Table of Dreams, casting a pall over its already underwhelming reception. Many viewers expressed their disappointment and disgust at Markle's alleged behavior, viewing it as a betrayal of the values of inclusivity and respect that the show purported to champion. Beyond the immediate fallout from the intimidation allegations, Table of Dreams has also been criticized for its perceived lack of originality. Critics argue that the show's format and themes closely resemble those of other successful travel and food programs, offering little in the way of fresh perspectives or innovative storytelling. Table of Dreams serves as a cautionary tale for aspiring television personalities and a reminder of the importance of authenticity, respect, and genuine engagement in the age of manufactured content. While the show may have fallen short of its lofty ambitions, it has undoubtedly sparked important conversations about the ethics of celebrity, the power dynamics within the food industry,